Okay, Paul again here from EMD. This is the actual 9PA Cayenne S 4.5 liter we were actually doing a previous video on. So we're here now. So the fault is the actual camshaft slow to react or something like that. Usually this is the actual common problem for that, is the actual cam solenoids. This one here looks like, it actually looks like the original one because the color is brown. If this was changed already, that color there will be like still silver. So this is the original one from factory. This is, and then that one there. If you look at this one here is already full of oil. So you're leaking through. Look at that. That's full of oil as well. So usually I've got to check the wiring as well. But the main thing we do all the time is actually take the cam covers off, check the engine timing at the back there and there. Check the engine timing, and after we check the engine timing, if the engine timing is correct, then the chain hasn't stretched yet. The chain is still great, still good, sorry. And then we'll just change the cam solenoids. So even though we know the cam solenoids actually the problem, but we still have to check the cam timing because the car is 2003, 2004, and it's very important to check it properly. While you're here, I might as well do it, so you can tick that box out of the way. Okay, thanks for watching and please subscribe.